It is typically believed that bureaucracy is something that shapes our daily lives. But at Mod Foundation, we believe that it's also something we can shape and use to transform our built environment. We want to transform how infrastructure is perceived, not as mere functional, lifeless systems, but ones that actively embeds culture by incorporating urban memory, lifestyle, and community. By employing this concept of infraculture, we bring together various stakeholders in the city and introduce new processes that ensure accountability, inclusivity, and innovation. But how does this actually work? Let's look at our process of rejuvenating K100 Citizens Waterway in Bengaluru. Since the city does not have a perennial water source, its unique geography was harnessed to utilize the abundant rainfall in the form of man-made cascading tanks. Connecting these tanks is a robust network of canals which efficiently moved rainwater from higher ground to lower ground. Over time, their water carrying capacity has reduced with the accumulation of silt, mixing of sewage, and solid waste dumping, causing the adjacent areas to flood, even with moderate rainfall. Our idea was simple: transform its state from this to this, restoring the drain's capacity to carry water and reconnecting citizens with the city's water heritage. The strategy was simple: bring down the walls, literally and metaphorically. Instead of hiding essential infrastructure behind fences, we brought the public into public infrastructure. But let's look at the layers of bureaucracy involved in realizing this idea. Navigating environmental regulations, flood mapping, ensuring a functional sewage network, mapping and regulating effluent flow, desilting drains, managing solid waste, upgrading pedestrian infrastructure. But here's the thing: instead of waiting for fragmented departments to act, we facilitated new ways of working together, building cross-agency collaborations where none existed, with citizens and civic activists who joined in for on-ground reporting, challenging traditional ways of execution. Identifying the issue and coming up with an idea was the easy part. Advocating for infraculture, bringing the public into public infrastructure, both physically and systemically. That's what helped us realize impact. It reminded us bureaucracy isn't a faceless machine, it's us. We elect, we make choices, we shape policies. And the most effective way to engage with bureaucracy is to work with it. So if bureaucracy is the art of making cities work, why not be creative with it?